Hey guys, David here with the fourth blog post for the RIA creation class at Linnaeus University. Today I wanted to talk some more about your projects and collaborating on other people's projects. I've encouraged you guys in the individual conversations to go do that. And this is more public plea to you all to do the same thing. Some of you have already been messing about with other people's code, and as this is a really good way of learning, I very much would like for more of you to go do that. Previously, it's been a bit difficult to find good projects with actual code in them to contribute to. This is made easier now after Joseph added the projects page to the guild site. So if you haven't seen that, please check that out. Just click on projects on the guild site, and there you can see a list of all projects. I have culled the member list a bit, removing inactive members. Probably there are still some people in this list who haven't actually got any code there. But most of you have, even though the description doesn't say so. So that's another plea for you all. Please make sure that the description is up to date, as well as the link to the code base. And the run link to the published app. Some of you have made like an index page linking further on to maybe the Hello World app and the projects app, and this is perfectly fine as long as people can find their way after clicking the respective links and understand what's the actual project. So again, make sure that for your entry that this stuff is up to date and actually working. And then you can use this page to find some projects that sounds interesting to you, and go check it out and contribute. On the right-hand column on the page, you can see the persons who've made contributions to that particular project so far. So this is an easy way of finding live projects and also finding projects who haven't received any contributions so far, which might be a good thing. Also, some of you have made like a readme.md page in the code repo, which is an excellent way of telling people the lay of the land when they come to your code afresh and don't really know anything. So this is also a very good idea. Some of you are even using some kind of project management with issues on GitHub or some such. If you do, make sure that this is easily findable from when I click into your repo. So in short, what I want you to do is to make the bed, make it easy for other people to find and contribute to your project. And when you have done that, go contribute and go jump in other people's beds. In talking to you individually, I've understood that some of you find it very difficult to find something to actually contribute with when you've looked at someone else's code. We've found that a very good source of inspiration for this is to check what other people have done already. If you go to the deeds page on the guild site and you filter it to show PRs, this will give you a list of the registered PRs so far. And as you can see by clicking through this, it's vastly different stuff. Some is just cosmetic, some is just code syntax, changing things around, while some is adding new functionality that the owner of the repo probably did not ask for, like Elin, who introduced some bad word filter to poor Benny's chat. But all of this goes. It really doesn't matter what you do. So if you find you have a hard time figuring out how to contribute, do check out the list on the deeds page, and that will give you some vastly different but all good ideas on how you can contribute. Because again, contributing is such a good way of learning, so I really, really encourage you to go do that. And make your bed, don't forget.